Hello kids, welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter Z. This is uppercase Z and this is lowercase z. Z is for zebra. Z E B R A. Zebra means zebra. Z is for zoo. Z double O zoo. Zoo means चिड़ियाघर. Z is for zip. ZIP zip. Zip means zip. Z is for zigzag. ZIG zig. ZAG zigzag. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Z is for zip. Z is for zigzag. Let's write letter Z. Okay kids, go to the top and draw a sleeping line. Draw a slanting line. And again sleeping line. This is letter Z. Sleeping line, slanting line, again sleeping line. Okay kids, this is letter Z. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.